What's up, everybody? Austin McGinnis with Profit for Contractors, also the CEO of Team Builders. We're a multi-state contractor in Iowa and Florida doing over $10 million of revenue. And it's because of this system behind me. And in this video, I'm going to explain the benefits of what Sticky can do for you and your business. As an owner, as a construction founder, you should be focused on the higher leverage activities in your business that are related to sales, marketing, finance, ensuring profitability and a solid customer experience. With this system, my team has all the tools to allow them to do it themselves without me as the bottleneck. So this board up here works very much right to left. On this side of the board, we have big boulder activities. In the middle, we have rocks and aggregate, and we break those down into sand, very granular activities over here. One of the things that this system allows me to do is really get things out of my head and into the hands of my team. It's my number one accountability tool and delegation tool to my company in both locations. So we have this on the wall at both of our locations. And it's just a system that streamlines the process and removes you as the bottleneck for your business. And what I'm doing in Profit for Contractors is bringing this system to the surface, bringing this to the world. What I do is put on a 1-hour webinar. There's going to be a link below this video. And inside this webinar, I teach you all the foundational components, the filter questions, the how, the why, and the what, and the when on how to do this and run this system inside of your business. It's a framework, but it's not catered specifically to any one business. What we do inside of the course is actually teach you how to implement it in your business and cater it specifically to you. So it's very customized, although it's fairly rigid in its framework. If you're interested in this system, please click the link below and register for the webinar, because this thing's coming to the world and it's going to streamline your business, allow you to scale, allow you to be more efficient with your production, and thus make you and your business more profitable.